In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox low memory warning on mobile. So the first thing I always recommend that you guys do is delete any other background apps that you're currently running. So you could do this both on an iPhone or an Android device. So basically all you need to do is you need to go ahead and just swipe left over here. So like if there's any other apps, you basically just want to close them by swiping up. So at the moment, I only do have Roblox running, but if you have like a bunch of different apps also running, then that is going to cause a significant amount of issues. And by the way, if you're on a Samsung, then you should see this option that does say active in background. So if you go ahead and press on that, here is all of the devices that are currently active in the background. So one of them is in my screen recorder, but we also have a bunch of apps here, and you basically want to stop them as well. iOS should also have a similar option. Whenever you stop unnecessary apps, then that is going to reduce the amount of strain being put on your device RAM, and it is going to cause your Roblox to perform better. Also, what you could do is you can go ahead and actually lower your Roblox graphics. When you use excessively high graphics, that is going to put strain on your random access memory or your RAM. So all you want to do is you want to press on the Roblox logo right over here. Then you want to go ahead and select on settings. Then you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down, and then you will get this option over here that does say graphics quality, and you basically want to go ahead and just turn it down because that is going to go ahead and actually help you out with your device performance. Also, it's really important that you free up storage space on your device because it still has an impact even though it doesn't directly affect RAM, because low storage can limit virtual memory. So basically, if you wanted to delete any unnecessary apps or anything like that, then what you would need to do is you need to go ahead and just open up settings. Then you would need to go to the search bar and just type in storage really quickly. And by the way, this not only applies to other unnecessary apps, but if you have unnecessary videos, apps, pictures, any of that kind of stuff, then it will appear right over here, and you guys could basically go ahead and analyze it and delete everything that you don't need. So as you're able to tell, I have a bunch of duplicate files, I have a bunch of unused apps, I have a bunch of unused apps and stuff like that, so I can easily go ahead and free up like over 30 gigabytes of storage just from these simple steps, which will all ultimately help us out in our Roblox performance. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.